Hi, I'm here to talk about this new and special phone, the Doogee X80. It's a professional device. Why I told this is a special device? Because it comes with a new function. As you can see here, the antenna. The new function is the Walkie-Talkie. If you want to give the call for someone, you don't need to have a SIM card or internet. You can just call someone around you using the walkie-talkie. So now let's take a look about this smartphone. Well, it comes with high quality rubber plastics, as you can see, around all the smartphone, and also with aluminum structure here and here. And as you can see the corner, we also have the protection in the screen frame. It's also protected by this rubber, and in the back side you got also the aluminum side here, near the fingerprint and near the cameras, to protect this sensible area, and the rubber also on the back. So it's a 6-side, because this is very strong phone, and you can see all around it's everything very well done, with high quality plastics. And about the certification, Doogee have a IP68, IP69K, and the military standards, the 810G, it's a United States military standard. Okay, let's now talk about the structure of this device. And as you can see, it comes with a high quality rubber plastics around all the structure, as you can see, covering all the corner edge, and also in the screen frame. You can see here it's also very well protected, and by the same rubber plastic. And on this side and this side, the left and right, you got aluminum protection, and also in the back near the fingerprint sensor and the camera. So it gives more resistance also to this area, and also it's about the design of the phone. On the back side, we can see the rubber plastic here. It's maybe 3 millimeters of protection, and this is not a tiny phone. It's a big phone, a powerful phone, because it comes with a big battery. I will explain you that later, but it's a big battery, and also for professional use. This is a good device for that purposes. And Doogee got the certification IP68 and IP69K, and the military standard 810G. About the other characteristics in this smartphone, it's the big screen. It's a 5.99 inches, and so as you can see, but it fits well. My hand is not so big, but it fits very well in my hand. And well, maybe let's look inside of the smartphone, because this is a special device, as I told you in the beginning, because it comes with a walkie-talkie function. It brings one antenna, and you can call someone around you in 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers. It depends also from your configuration, from your setup in the app. But you don't need to have inside a SIM card or internet to call someone, so you don't. It's a free call for that purposes. And well, about the specifications inside. About the battery, it's 10,000 milliamps by hour. So that's why this device is a little bit wide and larger than the other ones, but not so large. As you can see in my hand, I don't know the size of my hand, but as you can see, it fits very well, and all the fingers can fit the keys here, so it's okay. And I remember this is a stereo device. Also, it's important because some devices only have one speaker, but this one, the X80, comes with 2 speakers. It's also very important to listen the music or external calls loud. And other specifications about the screens, 5.99. It's a full HD plus LG screen, and it's 18 by 9. Let me turn home to see better. I don't know if okay, I don't have the configuration, but just to show you the screen size. This is the website of the Doogee. Okay, and it comes also with the last version, Android version. Let's check. It's the 8.1, the Android version, the last one. And about these smartphones here on the sides, we got a dual SIM card here with a rubber protection, as you can see here, and this is also a shock-proof and waterproof device, and that's why they protected on this way. And here, a little bit more down, you got the push-to-talk key and the SOS key. Well, you can set up this for other kinds of functions, not only SOS, but you can do whatever you want with this kind of key. And here down, it's a USB Type-C connector. Let's look around. This is a power on/off, and here the volume keys, up and down. And here on the top you got the antenna, yes, the antenna connector, like this one, because Doogee gives you this antenna to the walkie-talkie function. About this screen, it's a 5.99 inches. It's a full HD screen, and it's from LG, and it's a 18 by 9. As you can see, it's very wide screen, but it fits very well in our hands. My hand is not so big, but this phone fits very well, as you can see here. On the back, we got the Sony EMX 363 sensor with 12 more 5 megapixels and dual PD autofocus. Inside the smartphone we got, let's see in the system, the Android version. It's the last one, the 8.1, and we also got here the storage space. Let's see here, storage space. It's 64 gigas, and got also inside the 6 gigas of RAM. And it's possible to charge this smartphone by wireless charging, and it comes also with a fast charger. So this is a big battery. I remember this is a 10,000 milliamps by hour, and so that means that you can have many days talking and checking the internet websites, playing or doing other stuff, listening music videos and other multimedia stuff, and for many days. But it also depends from the time that you are using. So and also I remember here you can adjust the levels. This wasn't in the highest level, so you can adjust the bright of the screen. About the CPU, it's a good CPU, a very good CPU. It's a P23 from MediaTek, and it's a 2.5 GHz octa-core processor. And for the network communications, normal 2G, 3G, 4G, and you will have the bands and the frequencies from all over the world in this Doogee X80. It's called the full network communications. So you can go anywhere, any place around the globe. Because also it comes with a walkie-talkie function, so this is a very important device to the professional people that wants to talk and communicate with others. We already checked the Android version, the camera 12.12 plus 5 on the back, the fingerprint sensor. It's a very responsive 0.1 seconds. Dual LED. I remember here the antenna connector and the Full HD Plus from LG, the screen, and I remember also, it's very important, the resistance is IP68, IP69K and military standard, so it's very resistant. You can do a lot of things with this here, and let's take a look on the tool bag. We got the compass, sound meter, peak hanging, gradient, high measure, magnifier, the protector and the plumb bob. So this is very useful for this kind of devices, having this kind of stuff inside. So we got here the walkie-talkie application and the system manager. About inside of this application, system manager, so this means that you can handle the phone for the future cleanings and the power management of the phone. You can also freeze some applications, clean the cache and do a lot of stuff to increase the performance of your device. Maybe you will use this many days because I'm sure that you don't want a smartphone with low performance, so you will need to use this. About the walkie-talkie function. Well, let's see now with these two devices and how they will work. Maybe I will not need because they are very close. So let's touch here and see if this one it's let's see if it's configured or not. They should be in the same channel. So I can press the key to push to talk here. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
And this one too. Wait, sorry, my mistake. Hello? Okay, it's good, it's working good. That's the sound of echo, it's because they are very close and the sound is so powerful that can detect the surround and comes to the microphone that is placed here, the microphone, and catch all the sounds. Well, you can configure the application, the walkie-talkie, also the SOS call to your country or to do any kind of function inside of any application. It will be useful, for example, for gaming or other stuff. We got many other applications. Some of them you already know, so I will not talk about them. But also it's important to say that it's very responsive. If you are using some gloves, you can do things like this, and the smartphone is very responsive to using of gloves. Well, I think it's all for now. I can do a resume and talking about the best key points in this device is that is a powerful, shockproof, waterproof device. It's a rugged device, and you got here the push-to-talk key. This is why you can use the walkie-talkie function. You just need to have the antenna to call with better quality than this test here, and 10,000 milliamps by hour, 5.99 inches Full HD Plus screen from LG, as I said before, and it comes with a Sony and Samsung cameras. The Sony, I remember this is a 363 sensor from Sony, and the Samsung in the front camera, it's a 16 megapixels camera. You got here a MediaTek P23 2.5 GHz octa-core, and dual speakers, rubber protection all around all the device. So it's the most important point for me. It's the good quality of building and the resistance. Maybe you will feel the power in your hands with this kind of smartphone, and with the use of walkie-talkie, it's very important if you like nature. And if you like to walk around and you don't have the network to call to someone, so this will give you this will be very helpful to you. Well, I think it's all for now, and I hope you have a nice day. Okay, see you.